Assalamu alaikum everybody, welcome in this lesson. So in this lesson we're talking about enumerate function. So what's the enumerate function and how to use this? So I have these a list include the pizzas, chicken, meat, vegetable, tuna, and now new is equal enumerate pizza, and to print new, what I will have, python l.pure, nothing. Why? I want to change, I will change the data to the list, our table. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Put the index for all the elements. Tuna is the 3 index. Okay. So use enumerate to put item in table with the list index. Must be changed data type to list our tuple. Now I have another thing. Name is equal Muhammad, and new to is enumerate name. I now print list new to zero, each the letters M, O, H, A, M, M, E, D to the letters. So I can start with the number. I will start with number 1 or number 3. So if I now start with the number 3. So now I want to print something is like 4 index pizza and enumerate pizza. Start with number 1 and print f string index pizza. Now if I run number 1, 2, 3, 4, and I want to say goodbye.